Hi everyone. Hope good. We are here for grade 3 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 math and then click on view all lessons. That's grade 2 math, right? Sorry. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter subtraction 3 digits, right? Hold on. That is subtractions of 100. Sorry, grade 2 math it is, right? Not grade 3. Yes, I am on. So the first lesson is subtract multiples of 100. So let's just start with the first lesson. So basically we're going to learn how do we subtract the numbers that have 0, right? With them, right? The first one is 700 take away 600. So just look at the numbers, both the numbers they both have. Here you have two zeros, here you have two zeros, right? So write them down one above the other. So we know that 0 take away 0 is 0, 0 take away 0 and 7 take away 6 is 1. So that means 700 take away 600 equals 100. The correct option is 100. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Yes, this is A2. I just changed the name of the lesson. That is just a mistake. So right now we are on grade 2 math. Subtract 200 take away 200, 900 take away 800. So how do we subtract? Which is the correct option? 900 take away 800 is 900 take away 800 is 100. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? The next one is subtract 800 take away 100. Basically 800 take away 100. Yes, 800 take away 100. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 800 take away 100 is 700. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Okay, the next one is 600 take away 200. So correct option. The correct option is 600 take away 200 is. Yes, that is 600 take away 200 is 400. The correct option is option number 3, that is 400. So the easiest way is if they have the same numbers of zeros, just subtract the non-zero numbers, right? Like here you have 600 take away 500. You just have to do 6 take away 5, right? 6 take away 5 is 1 and you need to add two zeros, so the correct option is 100. That is 100, right? 6 take away 5 is 1. So the correct option is 100. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 900 take away 600. So which is the correct option? 9 take away 6 is 3. So that is 300. The option number 3 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is that is subtract three digit numbers. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, so let's start with the first one, that is 897 away 7, right? So start subtracting from the ones digit. You have 6 take away 7, right? You cannot subtract a smaller number out of the you cannot subtract a greater number out of the smaller one, right? So you need to borrow one. Here you have 9. When you borrow 1, you are left with 8 here, and the one you borrow makes it 16. 16 take away 7 is 9. You need to bring that 8 down because you don't have any digit, and then you have to bring the other 8 down. So 896 take away 7 is 889. The correct option is 889. Let's just start with the test questions, right? That is 110 take away 0. So which is the correct option? 110 take away 0. Whenever you are subtracting 0 from the any number, the number stays the same. So 110 take away 0 is 110. Option number 1 is the correct option. 110 minus 0 is 110. Option number 1 is the correct option. The next one is 650 take away 1. So you have to do 650 minus 1, right? So you cannot do 0 take away 1, right? Because 0 is smaller than 1. So you need to borrow 1. You have 4 here and the one you borrowed makes 10 here, right? So 10 take away 1 is the correct option is 10 take away 1 is 9. You have 4 and bring 6 down. So that is 649. The correct option is 649. The correct option is 649. Option number 1 is the correct option. The next one is 25 take away 2. So which is the correct option? So you can subtract 5 take away 2, right? Where is the okay? You have to do 625 take away 2, right? 5 is greater than 2. You can do 5 take away 2. 5 take away 2 is 3. You need to bring 2 down and 6. So that is 623. The correct option is option number 3. That is 623. Right? Option number 3 is the correct option. That is 623. The next one is subtract 285 take away 0. So which is the correct option? That is 285, right? Any number when subtracted from 0, the number stays the same. That is 285. Okay, the next one is 578 take away 3. So which is the correct option? That is 578 take away 3. The correct option is 575. Option number 1 is the correct option. The next one is 161 take away 5. So which is the correct option? 161 take away 5 is, that is 156. Option number 2 is the correct option. The next one is 200 take away 5. So which is the correct option? That is 200 take away 5 is, no one is answering the question. Why? That is 195. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Okay, the next one is 695 take away 3, which is the correct option. Yes, that is 692. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is subtract word problems. You can do the word problems on your own. The next one is complete the it subtraction sentences up to 3 digits. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, fill in the missing number. You are given 414, take away missing number equals 405. You need to find the missing number, right? Okay, let me just start with the test questions we'll do on the board. This one is already solved. You can have a look on the questions later today, right? Okay, let's just, what is this? Okay, let's just start with the example, that is 202 minus the missing number equals 195, right? That is 202 minus the missing number equals 195. So basically you have removed this from here, right? You can subtract 202 both sides. So 200 take away 2 is 0. 0 minus missing number is 195 minus 7 is 9. So that means the missing number is 9. The correct option is 9. Right? Option number. 2 is the correct option. That is 9. Sorry, 3 is the correct option. Let's just start. That is 7, right? I selected the wrong option. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, that is missing number minus 2 equals 553, right? So that is the missing number minus 2 is 553, right? So you have to add to both sides, minus 2 plus 2, 553 minus 2, right? So 2 minus 2, 0, you are left with the missing number only, and 553 minus 2 is 551, right? Sorry, you need to add 2, that is 555. So the correct option is option number 2, that is 555, right? Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 555. Okay, let's just move on to next one. Find the missing number. 933 minus what number equals 925? That is 933 take away 8 equals 925. Option number 3 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. So which number take away is 712, which is the correct option? The correct option is 716 take away 4 is 712. The correct option is 716. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is write the subtraction sentence up to 3 digits. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, Sweetie Pie Baking Company has had 996 eggs. Then employee used 95 eggs to make oatmeal cookies. How many eggs are left? You have to find how many eggs are left, right? In total, they have 996, right? They used 95. You have to find how much left. You have to do 996 take away 95, right? That is 901. That means still they have 91 eggs, right? Let's just start with the test questions, right? Let's see how do we write the sentences. Okay, Logan and Brenda swam in a relay race. First, Logan swam for 65 seconds, then Brenda got over and finished the race. Their total time is 108 seconds, right? How long did Brenda swim for? So you have to find how long Brenda swim for. Their total time is 108, right? And Logan swam for 65. You have to find the one that Brenda swam, right? So you have to do 600, 108 take away 65. So which is the correct option? You have to do 8 take away 5 is 3 and 10 take away 6 is 4. So the correct option is 43. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? The correct option is 43. The next one is a cook fed a total of 577 people. The cook fed 22 children. How many adults did the cook fed? So which is the correct option? You have to do 577 minus 23. So which is the correct option? That is 555. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? That is 555. Tommy wrote a total of 462 songs in his career. Of these songs, 26 were popular. How many songs did Tommy write that were not popular? So, which is the correct option? That is 436. Right? Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is Keenan runs his own baking company. The morning, this morning, Keenan's baked Keenan's workers baked 56 apple pies. They also baked some more after lunch. In total, they baked 878 apple pies. How many apple pies did Keenan's worker bake after lunch? You are given they are 500, 878, right? So 878 take away 56 is, that is 822. Option number 3 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is balance addition equations up to 3 digits. We'll cover this lesson next session, right? So if you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So right now we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we are on right now is subtraction 3 digits, and the lessons we have covered today are 9 to 10. They are available during the shift timing, that is from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, right? Or either you can join me in the interactive session that will be ready from 4 to 5. Okay, so that's all for today. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to. Sorry, what I said? Okay, so if you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.